XAUUSD Forex Gold, very latest forecast and price prediction.
Here's a summary of the latest XAUUSD gold forecasts, incorporating current market sentiment and technical analysis as of June 4th, 2025. Current sentiment and key drivers. Safe haven demand. Gold is currently seeing strong demand as a safe haven asset. This is primarily driven by geopolitical risks, intensifying trade tensions, particularly between the US and China, with recent announcements of increased tariffs, and ongoing global instability, e.g., drone attacks in Ukraine, are pushing investors towards gold. US fiscal concerns. Worries about US fiscal issues, including the debt ceiling drama, contribute to a weaker US dollar, which typically benefits gold, as it becomes cheaper for international buyers. Interest rate expectations. Bets on potential Federal Reserve rate cuts also support gold, as lower interest rates reduce the opportunity cost of holding the non-yielding asset. Weaker US dollar. The US dollar has been softening, which generally has a positive correlation with gold prices. Bullish momentum. Gold has shown strong intraday strength and has been breaking out of multi-week consolidation patterns. Technical analysis and price targets. Recent performance. Gold has surged recently, reaching a 4-week high and marking its biggest one-day gain in almost a month. Support and resistance. Support. Key support levels are identified around $3,292.80, 20 simple moving average, and further down at 3,316 minus 3,309 and 3,279 minus 3,268. Resistance/targets. Bulls are currently testing resistance around $3,365. If this level is broken, targets include $3,392, $3,396, and potentially $3,415 minus 3,416. Some analysts even see a potential for $3,400. Moving averages. The price is holding above its moving averages, with the 20 SMA offering support. Short-term moving averages are showing slightly bullish signals, though some longer-term views suggest a weakening of the overall bullish trend. Technical indicators. Indicators like RSI, currently around 64.06 on the 4-hour time frame, suggest moderate bullish momentum, with room for further upside before becoming overbought. Forecast for the near term. Next 24 hours, June 5th, 2025. Continued upside potential. Given the prevailing safe haven demand and a weaker dollar, the outlook for XAUUSD in the very near term remains moderately positive to bullish. Consolidation possible. After recent surges, some consolidation around current levels, 3364 minus 3,366, is possible as the market digests the gains. Eyes on economic data and Fed commentary. Upcoming economic data like US ISM manufacturing PMI and comment from Federal Reserve officials, like Powell, will be crucial in determining the US dollar's direction and, consequently, gold's path. Targets. A retest of the current highs near $3,392 and further moves towards $3,400 and beyond are anticipated if the bullish momentum continues. Important note. Forecasts are based on current market conditions and
This is the very latest XAUUSD forecast and price prediction for today. Currently, gold is consolidation with tight range, but for near terms and short terms, gold is bullish. So always buy from the dip and use SL and use money management. Don't overtrade and don't do a big lot size. Always use money management and use stop loss.